they're eating the corn. And of course, Mama has more milk because she eats. They're very protective of your little ones, all right, like everybody says.
Yeah.
But usually, like you walk up, you're a stranger, and everything else, Mama will take off to the brush with them. And they'll just leave. And because they're protecting the little ones.
Yeah.
That's pretty good? You waiting for that all night? Huh? I'll get some colored birds in here for you right now.
What do we got? Some green jays?
Everything but doves and hummingbirds like the peanut butter. Hey, Mama. Hey, Mama. You good, Mama? Come on, come on. Come on. Come on, right here. Sometimes they hit me on the head with their wings getting to that peanut butter.
Oh.
Come on.
Is that the crunchy one?
Quit talking to me. Okay. That's what you want, huh? That's what you want. I found out about peanut butter kind of by accident. I was like you, I was walking around here with my camera and taking pictures. And down there at the first feeding spot I go to, there was always something on a screen. And I couldn't figure out what it was. Finally I found a woman and she was putting out peanut butter. And she said, this will probably be the last day I do this. I said, why? He said, my husband has COVID and they're putting her in the ICU. And I never have seen her since.
Oh.
And I started feeding peanut butter then. And I started putting it out here. And as you can see, 1, 2, there'll be a couple on this one. Down there at the other place, there's 4 or 5 and they'll be right here eating the peanut butter. And I'm standing here and here they are right there.
So the green jays and the chicharacas and the
Yeah,
songbirds.
Will come in. The
Kids
only
could-
thing don't eat is hummingbirds and doves.
Hmm.
And we did have a blackbird here with a bad wing. I don't see it today,
No.
but it can't fly. And it takes advantage of what I put on the ground. Now at the other spot, I usually have about 15 show up, about this many. And only 3 showed up this morning.
Is that sugar water in that container?
Hmm?
Is that sugar water in that white container, the PVC pipe?
No, in the container is regular water.
Oh, okay.
They keep the ants out.
Ah, okay.
And most of the time it's dry because of what they're doing right now.
Yeah.
I don't see the cripple ring one. There's a jay.
Yeah, that's a green jay. It's a Kiskadee over here.
I've taken so many pictures of both of them. I don't get my camera out anymore.
Got plenty.
And really, this phone here takes almost as good a picture. There's 2 jays up there. No, Kissimmee and a jay.
Yeah. There's one down.
2 Kissimmees now.
Yeah.
It's fun to watch.
It sure is.
I I live a real stressful life. That's the reason why I got shingles right now.
Oh,
And
that's
I can
not.
come here and it's my peace.
Yeah, I believe you.
I have a pastor from Valley Baptist who's retired. I said, Joe, this is my chapel. I go to church every day.
Right. Sure, it's relaxing.
Hmm?
It sure is relaxing at this time of the day.
Oh yeah. It's not too hot yet.
No.
And a lot of times I get back, by the time I get back, there's a crippled one. Right there in front of us now.
That Mel? The
Yeah.
Don't drinking water?
White wing hangs down. He can't fly. Or don't fly. See how it hangs down?
hopefully doesn't get eaten by
One of the feral
yeah.
cats.
Yeah, some male grackle.
Yeah. One more feeding spot.
All right, have a nice day and speedy recovery.
Yeah, I'm on pills and everything. It's real painful.
I've heard.
It makes your muscles hurt all over. And I took the shot. I took the vaccine. I had it. I went to HEB and I said, Tom, I remember taking a single shot. Did I take both of them? And he looked it up on the computer. He said, yeah.
And you still got
I
it?
got shingles.
Yeah, I've seen a gentleman one time, a gentleman. I was at some store. He just showed me that I got shingles. He's got them all on his back, and it was
I
just
got the belt line and a big spot right here.
yeah. He had them all on
They're
his
not
back.
contagious. You're safe unless you touch these spots. You have to touch them to catch
contract,
it. And if
yeah.
you hadn't had chicken pox, you'll get chicken pox. If you had chicken pox, you'll get shingles.
Yeah. Shingles is the adult version of chicken pox.
Yeah.
I think I got that when I was a kid.
Yeah, it's nice out here today.
It feels nice. It's not humid.
But